Story time. A quick synopsis. I started working in television in 1988. Well, not so much working as much as it was volunteering. Yep, I worked in public access TV. That eventually led to some paying gigs, a better job, and ultimately full-time freelance work as a camera operator and producer. My sports TV career hit a pinnacle in 2004 when I got to do the Summer Olympics in Athens, Greece. But having a successful career in sports television means that you're away from home a lot. Evenings, weekends, and holidays. You know, when most normal people are home watching television. It was about this time that I started asking the question, what is this all for? And what good is it really doing anybody? Yes, I was making a good living. I was traveling around the country, and I made friends that would last a lifetime. But I was still feeling empty and unfulfilled. I started asking God, what do I do with this? I like making TV, and I love telling good stories. But I want those stories to mean something, maybe even impact somebody's life. Less than a year later, I was out of sports and entertainment television and working full-time in Christian ministry. That's had me living in 4 different cities in 3 different states, and now I'm traveling the world, getting to tell stories about how Jesus is intimately and infinitely involved in people's lives. Not exactly a well-defined corporate ladder, but here I am. And maybe it's just a natural progression of things that I'm sitting here telling you this story in an online video. It boils down to this. I love Jesus, and I won't shy away from that. And I want others to know about him too. I've been working in TV and video for a long time, and I still love telling good stories that can impact people's lives. Please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you along for the ride.